Hi friends, and welcome back to the channel. If you have ever worked in robotics or embedded systems or Internet of Things related fields, then you might have worked with Arduino or might be planning to work with Arduino in your next project. But one of the things that I don't enjoy using while doing Arduino projects is the Arduino IDE, because it does not have many features like code autocomplete, hardware debugger, and many other features that are available in modern IDE. But there is a solution for it, and the solution is called PlatformIO. So in this video, we will learn how to set up PlatformIO for our Arduino projects. So let's get started.
PlatformIO is a tool to manage your embedded systems projects. It is a command line tool but can be used with many IDEs like Microsoft Visual Studio Code, JetBrains, CLion, and others. But for this tutorial, we will be using Microsoft Visual Studio Code Editor. Let's go and open up Visual Studio Code Editor. PlatformIO is available as an extension for VSCode editor. First, we go to the extensions and then type in PlatformIO to search for the PlatformIO extension. The first one with the ant logo is the PlatformIO extension. And as you can see, the extension has around 1.7 million installs. So it's a really popular extension. It is a completely open source tool with many features. It is cross-platform, it has the debugger, it has static code analyzer. It is available for many platforms like AVR, Espressive, many microchip devices, RISC-V, and others. Let's go and install the extension by clicking the install button. If you are installing it for the first time, it might take a while to install all the tools that PlatformIO requires. The status of the installation is shown in the lower right corner. After the installation is finished, PlatformIO will ask you to reload the VS Code window. Let's do that. When VS Code opens again, it will check the PlatformIO installation and load it. After the extension has been loaded, you will see the PlatformIO logo on the left sidebar. Let's go and click it to open the PlatformIO home. PlatformIO home has a few sections like the recent news, a small sidebar menu, and a small menu in the middle to create new projects or import your old Arduino projects into PlatformIO. So let's go and click the new project button. This will open up a dialog box called the Project Wizard, which helps us in creating new projects. Now let us give a name to our project. Let us call it Arduino Nano Blinky because Arduino Nano is the board which I have. Then we can select the Arduino Nano board. I have the Arduino Nano BLE version, so let's select that. We can use the default location for our project. And now we can click Finish. It will take a little while to install all the Arduino framework libraries. Let's wait for that. After the project has been initialized, we get a standard boilerplate code. We can check the project structure in the File Explorer. There is a separate source directory, lib directory, and include directory, the .pio where all the build files and PlatformIO files are stored. Let's go and open up the main.cpp file. We can already see the standard boilerplate code having this Arduino setup and loop functions set up for us. The next thing we need to check is whether the PlatformIO build, compile, upload, and other tasks are working in VS Code or not. PlatformIO also installs a small menu in the lower left corner for these tasks. Let's click the tick button or the build button to check if PlatformIO builds our project or not. If the configure a task menu pops up and it shows no task configured for PlatformIO, then we need to run one more command in the PlatformIO terminal to set it up properly. We can open up the PlatformIO terminal from the menu in the lower left corner. So let's do that. When the terminal opens, we can check if the PlatformIO commands are working or not by typing in the command pio-help. This should print out the help menu in the command line. To properly set up PlatformIO for VSCode, type in the command pio space init space --IDE equal to VSCode. This will start the initialization process for setting up PlatformIO properly. We might have to reload VSCode after this process is finished. Let us restart our VSCode again now. Wait for all the extensions including PlatformIO to load properly. Now we can check if our project compiles or not by running the build task. If everything has gone smoothly until now, we can see the output of the compiling and linking process in the terminal window. We can clean up the project files by running the clean task. All the object files and other build files are written into the build directory in the .pio directory. Since the build process is working properly now, the code completion should have also started working. We can check this by trying to type the standard API functions from Arduino framework and check if it auto-completes or not. Let us check that by trying to type the delay functions. The autocomplete works now with different function suggestions from the autocomplete.
I hope this video was really useful for you and it will help you in becoming more productive in your Arduino development. If you have any questions, please post it in the comments below, and in the next video we will look into how to upload our compiled program into an Arduino board. So see you in the next video.